Umkhulumeli kaMasipalada we-Kurhuleni uZweli uthi bathusile lokhu begodi kubadanisile. Ingase emndenini kaHani kwaphela kodwana enarheni yonke. Akukhanyi kuhle bona ngubani owenze lokhu. Kodwana nokho ithuna likani lona khange lithindwe. Isehlakalwesi esenzeka njengemva kokuthi ikhotho yezomthetho sisekelo ikhuphe isahlulelo esithi uyanus walus owalahlwa licala lokubulala uHani achachululwe emalangeni alithumi.
We are quite devastated at what has happened here. We woke up in the morning yesterday to the news that there's been some damage here. So when you got here, you can see that there's been vandalism of the structure, especially when it comes to electrical the lighting system. But also one of the pillars of the facility has actually been damaged. We don't know what could have caused the damage, but we have sent the whole report to the Metropolis. They've launched a full investigation just to determine what has happened here.
Hlanganebusako isihlabile isenzwesi.
We have directed our caucus in eKuruleni that they must undertake a full investigation so that acts of individuals, if individuals are involved, is not hidden behind nature and weather. We really need to establish what are the issues.